back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make nighttime rescue signals. So the first one is going to be glow stick. This could be a regular glow stick. This one just happens to be a battery powered one. So basically how you go about making this, you could use shoelace. This is just a piece of paracord. You'd use a piece of cloth off of your clothing, just about anything. There's a hole right here at the top of this glow stick, and I'm just gonna put this through. You don't have to do any fancy knots. You can double knot it, triple knot it. You just don't want this glow stick to come off. Okay? Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna come way back here. You're gonna spin it into a circle, but you'd be spinning it at whoever you're trying to get their attention. Usually it'd be like a plane or a helicopter. So realistically, it would be like this. But for you guys, I'm gonna just point it right at you. The next signal that I have for you guys is just a regular flashlight. Now, I didn't have like a tiny pocket flashlight. This is like a radio bank, and it's got a bunch of different flashlights on it. So basically you would just use this light, but you would do it in 3 intervals for SOS. So I'm going to go back there again. I'm going to show you guys how that works. Now the last one that I have for you guys is this laser pointer. Now, it is illegal to point this at airplanes and boats and police and all that kind of stuff. That is illegal. But if you are in a survival situation, this will save your life doing just that. So this is kind of a double purpose item. This is why I carry it. This is a, I believe it's a 5 watt, if I believe correctly, that's what it was. So this thing is a blue laser. That's supposed to be the strongest laser. And it will actually set fires. It'll actually set stuff on fire. But besides that, you can see the beam. So if I was to point this at like a plane, a helicopter, a boat, which guys, don't do that unless you are absolutely having to survive. If not, it's illegal. You will go to jail. Don't tell them I told you to do it, okay? Because I didn't. Maybe. So basically all you would do is point this at whoever you're trying to get their attention. Now, like a signal mirror, you guys know how like a signal mirror, you would put your hand up like this, and you would run your mirror up your arm and in between your fingers right here, right? And in between here would be whoever you're trying to flash. Don't do that with this super powerful laser. You will burn the shit out of yourself. Okay? So what I do, instead of burning myself, is I'll find a piece of wood or something like that and go between that. Because if I go in between my fingers, that freaking laser is going to burn my hand. That's how powerful this thing is. So I'm going to go back there. I'm kind of show you guys. I'm going to try not to point it at my camera because I really don't want to ruin my camera. Okay?